We are a family of 6, and with the need for more room, we began looking for a larger home. That's when we found this resale flat. We decided to do a full renovation because while the structure was good, we wanted everything to be new. Hello, my name is Ling. I'm the designer and the homeowner of this house. I've been with TIL for 2 years. This is a 149 square meter HDB flat, which we reconfigured to suit the needs of our family. The kitchen was opened up to create a more spacious communal area. The study was converted to a bedroom that 2 of my boys share, so we closed off one entrance to give them more privacy and expanded the room to improve comfort. Upon entering, we have our shoe cabinet disguised as yet another wall panel. As you step into the living room, you are greeted by a rich modern colonial interior design. We took inspiration from Cameron Highland Resort that our family loves to visit. You'll see a blend of classic and modern features. The wainscoting on the walls, brass accented fixtures, and natural materials, all tied together by a timeless black and white palette. We layered leather with plush textiles for a cozy vintage warmth and introduced wooden herringbone flooring, touches of rattan, and an exposed beam look to add depth and texture. The kitchen is my favorite part of the home, quietly beautiful yet functional. The cream-colored cabinets bring a soft warmth to the space, elevated by compact wooden countertops and the backsplash of white KitKat tiles that add subtle texture and balance. Designed to be visually lighter than the living room, it complements rather than competes, creating a harmonious flow between the 2 spaces. It is combined with the laundry area, with the washer and dryer seamlessly concealed within the cabinetry alongside most appliances to maintain a clean and minimal aesthetic. A peninsula table, complete with its own sink, serves as both a coffee bar for one of my boys, an avid coffee maker, and as an extra counter space whenever needed. The common bathroom mirrors the living room design with the same restrained color palette, giving off an elegant, timeless look overall. Past the living room, the indoor balcony is demarcated with black and white tiles. To bring in a touch of old world elegance, I added a black Victorian lantern as the focal point. The space is kept simple, furnished with a rattan-style chair, perfect for unwinding with a book or enjoying a quiet moment. The bedrooms deviate slightly from the main design, as each is styled to reflect the personality and taste of its occupant. By the balcony is a shared bedroom for 2 of my sons, who opted for an industrial-themed design. It features brick-patterned wallpaper and black lamps, creating a bold urban look. The room's layout ensures each of them has privacy, with a bookshelf acting as a divider between their beds. They also enjoy the practicality of a spacious shared wardrobe and a sizable study table. For my daughter's room, she embraced a soft feminine style. One side of the room had an unflattering recessed wall. We chose to incorporate an arch feature that now wears a delicate floral wallpaper. We have pink textiles around the room that further softens the look, and her choice of wooden furniture and decor gives off an organic charm. We are not featuring one of the bedrooms because my son is studying for his exams and I don't want to disturb his space. In the master bedroom, the botanical wallpaper and a 4-poster bed give the room a tropical colonial charm. The carpentry consists of a full-length wardrobe that features a dedicated vanity space. Our bathroom continues the use of green and natural patterns. The design is centered around the Chinotsuri tiles that we really love, resulting in a bright and uplifting look. We then integrated a bathtub in the shower area, which is perfect, especially for days when you just want to unwind. Really happy with how our home turned out. It was also really fun planning the design with my family, and I think we came up with something beautiful.